morning children, welcome to our virtual class. Myself Pratibha Mandi. Today I am going to discuss some new alphabets. Already you have discussed some figures like L, C, U. All these figures you have discussed. L, C, T, U, H, P. And today we start the alphabet A. Now in first class we have given the small figures like L, C, U so that it will easy for you to do that things. And today we will do little bit bigger size, that is your A. Now see, this is your turtle. Suppose you want to draw A. So what will you do? First you have to draw this line. So here it is given, this is 80 step, this is 80 step, here it is 40 step and here it is 40 step. So first you have to draw this line. So you have to use FD80. First is your FD80. It will draw this line and move the turtle to this position. Then RT90. It will turn the turtle in its clockwise direction. That is right side. Then FD40. Draw this line. Again here you have to turn clockwise. You have to use RT90. Then FD80. It will draw this line. Then VK40 means it will move backward 40 step so that you can draw this line. So you have to use VK40. This VK40 it will draw or move the turtle backward to this position. Then again here you have to turn to its right side, RT90, then FD40. It will draw this line. Now today I will show you how to do this thing in a logo software. Then your concept will again more clear. Now see here, suppose you load the logo, you should have this software Microsoft Windows logo, or you have PC logo, or you have also DOS logo, no problem. You have to load that logo, and this is your commander window where you have to type the command, and this is your turtle, and this area is known as your graphics window. So whatever command you will write here, once you press enter key, the figure will draw in this position. Now turtle position is here. You want to draw A over here. So here you can write the command FD80. So it draws the line and move the turtle from this position to this position. Now you want to draw the line to its right side. What will you do? First you have to turn the turtle. So RT90. Then you have to use FD40. It will draw the line. Again use RT90. Turn to its right side. Again FD80. Now you want to draw the line here in middle. So what will you do? You have to use VK40. So VK40. Now again it will turn the turtle to its right side. So RT90. Then FD40. We draw that. Now here you use HT for hide turtle. You can see figure A is drawn on the screen. Now this is a small size figure. Suppose you want to draw a big size figure, then you give the more steps. 80 means it is small size it is giving. Then suppose I want to give a big size, then I can use the suppose FD100, FD200, like this you can give the step value so that you can draw big size figure. Now another figure is your, next is your E. I have not given B, D, C already you have done because B is very big size, so we are not going to give the B and D. So next is your E. Now your turtle position is this position. So you have to draw the line, the left side, then you have to use first LT90. So it will turn the turtle this way. Then FD40, it will draw the line this way. Then RT90, turn to its right side, then you have to use FD40, then RT90, then FD40, then BK40, LT90, then FD40, then RT90, FD40. It will draw the E. Now see. Now clear this figure CS to clear the screen. ST, it will show you a turtle again. Now suppose I want to draw big size, I am giving more value. suppose big value, like suppose instead of 80, I can give suppose LT 90, then FD suppose 150 I am giving, big size, then RT 90, then FD suppose 75, then RT 90, then FD FD 150, BK 150, then it will turn to its left side, so LT 90, it will turn like this, then FD 75, then RT it will go to its right side, this time you want to draw, so you have to use RT 90, turn the turtle to its right side, then FD 150. Now I draw. Now hide the turtle, you can see clearly the figure E. Okay. Now our next figure is F. F means first you have to use here your FD 40 because total is your 80. Total length is your 80 step. First you have to give half of this one. 80 half is 40. So FD 40. Then right side you want to draw the line. So RT 90. Then draw the line FD 40. Then again BK 40. LT 90. Then FD 40. Then RT 90. Then FD 40. Now see here I am showing you. Again clear the screen. Show the turtle so can you see the turtle position. Now FD suppose I am giving 100. Little bit bigger size. Okay. Then RT 90. FD suppose I am giving 75. BK 75. 75 step forward means 75 step backward. Then LT 90. Then FD 100. Whatever value you have given here, same value you have to give here. Then RT 90. Then FD 75. So after writing the command, you must press enter key. Then only it will move the cursor. Unless until you press enter key, it will not work. So you have to press enter key after writing the command. Now see, already I have done the F. So this way you can practice. If you have Logo software, you download in your computer. If it is not there, don't worry, you can practice in the notebook also. Like math we are practicing, like that also you draw different shapes and you write the command and practice. Now our next figure is your G. Now in a G, so this is the turtle position. Now here you can mark it is continuously moving to its clockwise direction. That means here all are RT. There is no LT command in this figure. Now this is the turtle. First you have to move here 10 steps. So FD 10. It will move from here to here. Then RT 90. So it will turn to its right side and FD 20 means it draw this line. Then RT 90. Then FD 30. Then RT 90, FD 40, RT 90, FD 80, RT 90, FD 40. Because this totally moving in a clockwise direction, that's why everywhere it is RT. There is no LT. Now this figure also I am going to show you. Let's see. Clear the screen. CS. Then write FD. Suppose whatever value I give that I am giving, it will give small figure. FD 10, RT 90, FD20, RT90, FD40, RT90, FD suppose 80, RT90, FD100. Now see, here it show you error because I have not given the gap between FD and 100, that will show you the error. So whenever write command, then give the gap and write the steps. FD100, then RT90, then you have to give FD8. Now draw the G. Now hide the turtle, you can see the figure. This is about G. So this way you can draw all the figures. Now your next figure is I. Now in I, this is the turtle position. Here you have to turn right side. Then you have to use FD40, BK40, LT90, FD80, again RT90, FD20, BK40. Clear? Next is your, after I, next is your J. So you have discussed, what are the things you have discussed? L, C, T, U, H, P, A, E, F, G. And I also I have discussed. Now you can do the J. J here is your total. You have to use first BK10, then LT90, then FD20, then LT90, FD80, then RT90, FD20, BK40. Either you can use here RT or you can also use here LT. Both are correct. Then is your O. O, here all step given 40, 40. You can also give, suppose here 60, 60, here 40, 40. That depends on you whether you want to print like a square or whether you want to print like a rectangular shape. So here FD40, then RT90, FD40, then RT90, then FD40, then RT90, then FD40. It will draw this figure O. So today we will discuss this much. Next week we will discuss about 135 degree and 45 degree alphabet. So no need to write all these things in your notebook now. We will provide you separate PPT where all commands are written. After that only you see from PPT, you will write down all the logo alphabets. Thank you. Have a nice day.